Hi guys, this is Matthew again, and today is 1st of July 2023. Happy Canada Day to all our Canadian subscribers. I just met some couple of Canadians right now at the party, and I told them about the channel, and they subscribe right on the phone. So happy Canada Day to you guys, and I'd like to wish all our subscribers a happy new month as well. And here it is our third strategy. We released three strategies across all our channels today, 1st of July 2023, and here we're going to be trading the Volatility 25 index. We're going to be trading the match and differ. Actually, we're going to be trading the differ right here, and don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. We're going to drop three strategies today, 1st of July 2023. So we're going to go right into this. So here, once you log into your trading account, we're going to place the first trade. Make sure you note all these numbers right here. You have to note down all these numbers: 98, 34, 23, 76, 61. I'm going to explain this to you, and 5. I'm going to explain this to you right now. So we're going to go for our first trade. So we're going to set the first trade. We're going to set it to 98. The tick will be 9, then the last prediction will be 8. And the reason why I told you to note the time is because as this thing is counting, once it falls under 5, you are going to be clicking on the differ. It has to be on this 5. You can see the movement of this red stuff right there. That's the upside down triangle. You can see right there the triangle right there. So once it falls under 5, you're going to click on differ. That's 4, that's 0. So you can see it, the movement right here. That's 6, 9, 5. So make sure you enter your stake, the amount you want to stake right there. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade. We have 10 ticks. Sorry, we're supposed to click on 9 tick, but it's all good. We're going to win the trade, but next time you have to click on 9 tick. That should be 9 tick. So you can see we won that trade right there. We won that trade. It has to be 9 tick, not 10. You have to use 9 tick in your next trade. So we're not going to use this number again for now. We're going for the second trade. It has to be 3 and 4, which means the tick will be 3, then the last prediction will be 4. Then we're going to watch this again right there. It has to be 5. It has to be 5. Once it's on 5, we're going to click on the differ. So you have to wait. That's 5. So that's our second trade. So let's wait. It's just 3 counts. So you can see we won that trade there. We won that trade. So before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, there's a boat right there, and you can see the results today, 1st of July 2023. To order the boat, all you have to do is to visit binary touchscalper.citywitetechnologies.com.ng. That's touchscalper.citywitetechnologies.com.ng. The boat is just $9.99 USD, and the PIPSREAPER boat as well. It trades on digits. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, visit binary PIPSREAPER.citywitetechnologies.com.ng. It's just $7.99 USD. And don't forget, all our boats comes with the free synthetic indices trading. We also give out the free binary options trading boat, 4 free boats included in the ebook. We also give out the free Forex trading ebook as well, and we give out the free Forex trading book program by me. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more updates. So all the links are right here. We're going to paste them in the video description on YouTube. Remember, we've traded 34, so we're going to go for 23 in our next trade. And so this is the link to order the PIPSREAPER boat. This is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and these are the links to subscribe to all our channels. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels. So here is the link to sign up for a free Forex trading account for you to be able to use the Forex trading boats we gave out for free. You can use any of this link to sign up for the Forex trading account, and here is the link to download the Forex trading ebook. In the ebook, you will see a link to download the Forex trading robot. So here is the link to download the synthetic indices ebook. In the ebook, you will see a link to download the free binary options trading book we gave out for free. So these are forum websites. Join our forum website to read written tutorials. So we're going to go for the next trade, which is 2 3. Remember our last one was 3 4, so this one will be 2 and this one will be 3. Then we have to watch again for this triangle to be on 5 before we click on differ. That's 7. This is what we are watching. You can see as it's moving right there, then our mouse has to be on differ. So that's 5. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade. So you can see we won that trade. We've won the 3 trades. So we are going to go again down. We look the number. So we are going for the 7 and 6. We are going for 7 and 6. So our tick will be 7 right here. 7 ticks. Then the position will be 6. Then we have to watch again. Once this thing is on 5, we are going to place the trade. That's 5. That's our 4th trade right there. And let's wait for the outcome of that trade. So you can see we won the 4th trade, so we're going for the 5th trade, which is 61. So our tick will be 6, then the last prediction is 1, so we have to wait for the triangle again to be on 5 before we place the trade. That's going to be the last trade. That's 5 right there. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade. So you can see we won all our trades. It's all straight win. It's all straight win. This is straight win. You can use this strategy. Maybe you wait for like 30 minutes, then you go again. You can always scale up to make more money. You can always scale up to make more money. If you want to confirm this, I can change this to 70. Then we go for the 9-8 again. The last prediction 9-8. So then we wait. You can see we are going back again to the sequences, which is the 9-8, 3 4 2 3 7 6 6 1. Then the 5 is what you need to watch before you place the trade. And so once this thing is on 5, you click on differ. That's 4, 9, 0, 7, 4, 1, 6, 5. Okay, I just want to show you guys that this strategy really works. So it's going to be the last trade. Let's wait for the outcome. I've scaled up for more profit, so let's wait for the outcome of that trade right there. That's it, guys. You see we make $6.92, so there's no doubt about it. You can see, so you can go on and on and on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this strategy thumbs up, subscribe, share. Thanks you for keep coming back. Bye.